need y'all to start moving.
That's why you got chicken legs.
Come on, man. I need y'all to start working.
Hold on, we can't do full turns because it's a block. I need to cut the body. How you gonna break that damn fiberglass?
That'll help.
Trends, bro.
So apparently, it doesn't fit. He
Like 10
made this piece,
girls.
welded it in there, so the oil pan can fit.
What the hell did I do?
Sir, you know what you're doing?
Yes.
You do? What are you doing?
Juan, you know what you're doing?
No.
You ever done welding before?
Hell nah.
Alright, first time's a try.
Baby weld. We're not ready to go all the way in. I think he's just gonna mock. He's got a lot of work to do. He still needs a clutch, but I think he's gonna mock it up. All right, this is the update for you guys. I think last time where we left off, we were swapping it in. Turns out it has some. The brackets were sketchy or something, so he just went ahead and got SAR. He also picked up. This boy loves to drive, so he went all the way to Alabama to pick it up. This man just loves to drive. And just the whole kit itself, mocked up the intercooler. I think he still has to do some piping, clock the turbo. That's the update. He painted the valve covers, looking good. And then just waiting more parts to get here. I'll try to see you soon. You can start it up, as well as the Rocket Bunny kit. I think he finally lined it up. I know he's not gonna use those bolts. I think he's actually gonna get better ones. And we saw a deal on Facebook Marketplace. Picked up some seats for him. He paid me back. Looking good. I think he also has to mock them up a little bit more to the left because it hits right here and he can't scoot the seat forward. So 76, 78 turbo. So hopefully we'll make some jam and we'll see from there. So today I think we're gonna take out the rear end of this thing. That's a hello to Bella.
Right here behind the white, because right here is a bunch of fucking mosquitoes.
All right, Felipe, hurry up, man. We gotta get to working on this, man. Boy, he can't help us.
Yeah, I can. You should have told me.
Can't help us, man.
Yeah. I had to come out clean.
That's how you work on race cars and style. So we're just bolting up some suspension. Never done a diff before, so I guess learn something new every day. All right, so we got a little carried away. Saw here. Did a bunch of cutting, bolting. We don't know bolt here. Car's useless now, so we're just saw everything off, and the diff should come out here shortly. Shit, not back here. Oh, this thing has a thing. Oh, that's why. You going? So after a bunch of saw here, saw there, it came out. We just took it all the way out. And now we just gotta put it back together, call the tow truck, and that'll do it. Around here, we don't believe in torquing, untorquing, or we just saw or grinding. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. I don't think we're not gonna put it in today, but that's pretty much it. If you guys want to keep seeing more content about this cute kit being painted and everything, it should get a cage here soon as well before seeing the track, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.